Guys, this is Cage Watkins here, bringing you another review. And this time I'll be reviewing a brand of tobacco called HardRush tobacco. They're a relatively unknown brand, but from what I've smoked from them so far, they need to be a brand that you start smoking. Anyways, they sent me a bunch of samples for me to review and get their name out there, because I think they do deserve to have their name out there, and their stuff is good, and people need to buy it. Anyways, this flavor is called Sizzling Passion. It's a natural color. Typical natural tobacco shisha color, brown. It's barely found any stems in there, so that's a plus. It's pretty juicy, a little less juicy than Starbuzz, but it's still a bit juicy, which is good. Let's see, what's it smell like? Sizzling passion. Passion fruit, maybe. I get that from the passion. It's obviously a passion fruit. And on the can, there's a picture of a passion fruit and a melon. So I'm just assuming it's going to be passion fruit and melon. And I do get a hint of melon in there, as well as possibly a mint. Very possibly a mint. Not 100% sure on that. But every person has different smells and different tastes with shisha tobacco, usually. Anyways, I'm smoking with my KM pear with a Harmony Bowl and Cloud Lotus with two Cocoa Rush coals that are a brand of natural coconut coals from HardRush tobacco, which they also sent out to me. They come in cubes, which I'll be reviewing here soon, so bear with me on that one. Now on to, I'm also smoking out of an RB hose. Now on to cloud quality. As you can see, big puffy white clouds, which is good. I wasn't really expecting much from HardRush, since they're not really a known tobacco company, but cloud quality has impressed me a lot so far from what I've smoked. Now, as for taste, as soon as you inhale, there's definitely a mint. That's definitely there. I'm assuming that's the sizzling part of it, since there are other flavors actually. One of them, I think, is actually sizzling as well. So I guess sizzling is the part of the mint. But anyways, yeah, definitely a melon and definitely a passion fruit. I don't know if there's another flavor in there. It might take another drag. There may be another flavor in there. I'm not completely positive. I have to check with him on that. Overall, it's kind of a candy melon and passion fruit. It's not really a natural flavor. modern companies these days are going for the more candy-like flavors to appeal to the newer generation with the candy flavors, which isn't technically a bad thing, but the only thing with candy-like flavors is that the aftertaste is sort of chemical-like in the taste, which is like, to me, it's like Starbucks. Has that chemical aftertaste to it. But in this case, it's not that bad at all. Probably give this as a whole probably about 8.4 out of 10 on the rating scale. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. I'd probably say it's very good. So definitely check HardRush out. They sent me a poster along with my package. Their website is HardRush Tobacco. They have a bunch of flavors in a bunch of different tins. They have a 50-gram tin, a 100-gram tin, and if 250-gram and a 1 kilogram tin, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a variety. So definitely look forward to getting some. I definitely recommend it. I have more reviews for them coming soon. Anyways, this is Gage Watkins. Thanks for watching. See ya.